Can you multiply these rational expressions? This complex math problem is sent to us by Maricel from Pangasinan, Philippines. Simplify the rational expression. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. In simplifying this rational expression, we need to apply different types of factoring. So the first step that we need to do here is factor each expression. Let's begin with the first numerator, x squared minus 9. X squared minus 9 is a difference of perfect squares, so we can factor this as a product of sum and difference. X squared can be split up as x and x, and for the negative 9, we need to use plus 3 and minus 3. That's how you factor difference of perfect squares, product of sum and difference. For the denominator x squared plus 5x plus 4, we need to find factors of 4 that will give us a sum of 5. What do you think are the two numbers that multiplies to 4 and adds up to 5? It is 4 and 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the factors are x plus 4 and x plus 1. Let's continue with the second rational expression. Factoring x squared minus 3x minus 4, we need factors of negative 4 that gives us a sum of negative 3. What do you think are the two numbers that multiplies to negative 4 and adds up to negative 3? That is negative 4 and positive 1. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So the factors are x minus 4, x plus 1. Now let's factor x cubed plus 27. This is a special product called sum of two cubes. In factoring sum of two cubes, the factors are binomial and a trinomial. For the binomial, we need to get the cube root of x cubed, which is x, and the cube root of 27, which is plus 3. Now we need to figure out the trinomial. First step is to square the first term x, so we have x squared. Then we multiply 3 times x, that's 3x, but you need to take the opposite sign. And finally, square the 3, and that gives you 9. So that's the complete factor of x cubed plus 27. X plus 3 is the binomial, and the trinomial is x squared minus 3x plus 9, and you cannot factor that further. For the third part, we will leave x squared minus 3x plus 9 as it is, because that's not factorable. You can never find factors of 9 that will give you a sum of negative 3. And lastly, the denominator x squared minus 7x plus 12. We need to find factors of 12 that will give us a sum of negative 7. What do you think are the two numbers that multiply to 12 and add up to negative 7? It's negative 4 and negative 3. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12, and when you add them, it's negative 7. So the factors are x minus 4 and x minus 3. Now that we have factored out all the expressions, by inspection, we need to cancel out like numerators and denominators. So now we need to look for pairs. We have x plus 3 on your numerator. We also have x plus 3 in your denominator. We also have x minus 3 and x minus 3 below. We have x minus 4 and x minus 4. We have x plus 1 and x plus 1. And finally, we have x squared minus 3x plus 9 and x squared minus 3x plus 9. So what do you think is the final answer? The only thing left here is the denominator x plus 4. There's nothing left on your numerator, but we will write down 1 because when you're dividing those pairs, that is actually equal to 1. X plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is equal to 1. So each pair that you cancel out is equal to 1. So the answer is 1 over x plus 4. It is a complex rational expression, and the simplest form is only 1 over x plus 4. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.